Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything, and in today's video we will talk about on how you can connect your stylus pen to your Lenovo tablet. The first thing that you want to do after unboxing, or maybe you got yourself a new pen, is to simply charge the device. In most cases, this device came in with the shipping mode on, simply to save battery. So the first thing that you want to do is to plug the device onto your Type-C cables, and from there an amber color will then appear onto the LED light, something similar to this one, but after being fully charged you will be able to see this white LED color. Now to proceed, we can then go ahead and press these two buttons on your stylus pen, and basically from there this will enter the pairing mode for the stylus pen that you are using, and from there this LED effect will now take place. Basically, the white LED will continue to blink for at least 1 minute, and if you did not connect during this time, the stylus pen will automatically turn off or go to sleep. Now, during this pairing mode, your Lenovo tablet will automatically detect the pen, as you can see right here. So all you have to do is to click on the close button option, and from there you have successfully paired your device onto your Lenovo tablet. But if the quick activation message did not show up, of course you then want to navigate through your Bluetooth window, and from there you can manually find the Bluetooth stylus pen. And so everyone, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and as always, follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.